hop around. It's on video now, so it sees me and my super snazzy life vest.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to today's What's Up. And today, it's not a Theater Thursday or an art video. This is one of those random, actual What's Up with the life of Morgan. And so I'm here kayaking with my friend, Missy.
Hold on. Okay, I got it.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't see you, but
Hello.
We're gonna pretend like it does.
I think it might.
Okay, so, Rissiana made a video for me, and so I'm gonna let that be the intro. It was cute. It was a cute video.
Yeah.
So, really, I'm not gonna be talking in this video. I'm just gonna be floating around on the water, and you get a nice soundtrack. All right, have a nice day. Let's go kayaking. Those people probably think we're crazy.
Probably.
People are probably they've been swimming around in circles for 20 minutes.
I know.
Because we can't steer straight.
I know. Hi guys, welcome to Morgan's channel. She has let me do the honors to, just kind of show you guys what we're doing. Right now we're in canoes, as you can see.
Kayak.
Or whatever, kayak, canoe, same difference. But we're just floating down this lake, and it is such a nice lake. It's so pretty and relaxing.
I got a spider on me. It's a spider. It's a spider. It's a spider. Get it.
And we're having so much fun, and Morgan
I killed it.
just killed the spider.
It was crawling in my leg. What if it bit me? It had stripes like a bumblebee.
These spiders are poisonous here in Michigan.
Hey Siri, are there any poisonous spiders in Michigan?
Here's an answer from chpest.com. There are two such dangerous spiders found in Michigan: the brown recluse and the black widow.
They had a wolf spider, this big, hiding under the dock.
Oh yeah, they're huge. Sorry. Alright, so...
Push me away, won't you?
Hold on. I'm gonna get close to the camera so they can see me. Okay, so listen, you guys. I don't know who Morgan had. I'm struggling over here. This is okay. Alright, listen, y'all. Morgan is so sweet, so make sure you subscribe to her channel because she deserves it.
Thank you, Rissiana.
Yeah. the other.
And I found some flowers. Marciana picked it because I couldn't steer straight.